Hey my RoyalFam, it's your girl QUEENDEE here, and I am back with another video. How you doing? How you been? I hope life is treating you well, and that you can take care of your mental and handling your business, okay? I hope that February has been nothing but great for you so far, and I hope that the rest of the month is nothing but greatness as well. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is QUEENDEE, the RoyalFam vlog, all my supporters and my subscribers, so definitely make sure you join the RoyalFam and subscribe, because we live over here and everybody's little family in their life, okay? But as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a colored contacts review, okay? Your girl has not worn contacts in about 3 years. So this was definitely something like, it's like I felt like I was starting all over with the whole contact thing. But I do have a pair in, so if you're interested in hearing about the review that I have for Dtleye contacts, then keep on watching. Keep on watching. Okay, so as I said, this is a Dtleye contact review. They specialize in colored contacts. You can get them with or without a prescription. And if you do not know, I used to wear glasses and contacts until 2019. I got LASIK eye surgery in 2019. So up until then, I was pretty much wearing contacts and glasses for pretty much my whole life, I would say. Well, glasses my whole life, and then contacts, I didn't start wearing those until I was in high school. So contacts, glasses are nothing new to me, but being that in 2019 I got LASIK eye surgery, I have not put on a pair of prescription glasses or any type of contact in my eye since then. And in 2018 actually I stopped wearing my contacts because they started irritating my eye and just giving me all types of issues. Like I was real sensitive to the light, like my eyes would water every time I would try to put my contacts in. So at one point in 2018, I just stopped wearing my contacts and I just started wearing my glasses up until 2019, the summer of 2019, when I got my LASIK eye surgery. But that's a whole nother video. If you want to hear about my LASIK eye surgery journey, then definitely let me know. I'll make a video on that. But yeah, we 3 years strong pretty much. So this is the first time I put contacts in my eye since in 3 years. So, okay. So Dtleye reached out, and I was very happy for them to reach out to me because I had been seeing like their reviews and stuff all over YouTube, and I was like, wow. But your girl has really not tried to wear contacts. You know, I just been like, I can see, so I don't have a reason for them. But I was like, every once in a while, you want to spice up your life and have some different color eyes, right? So I have 3 pairs of color contacts here. And let's get into it. So, we're gonna start with the brown pair that I got because if y'all have not paid attention, my eyes are dark brown. And I was like, I've always wanted like hazelish eyes, so I was like, let me get like a hazel color. So they came in like individual bags, and then this is how the box for the brown pair looks. I did try to wear the brown pair or try them on to see how they looked on my eye, but they looked extremely scary. So I'm going to put a picture right here on how my eye looked with this brown pair. It definitely was not giving me the look that I thought it was going to give me, but that's what happens when you're buying contacts online. You see how the color looks, and being that I have brown eyes, you never know how a color is truly going to look on your eye. So, but this is the box that it came in, okay, and it says Dtleye contacts, yearly disposable, and then each pair comes with a little case that has like a case for the contacts themselves, and then some little tools in it. So these tools I would say are for help like taking them in and putting them out, but I pretty much just use my fingers to take them out and put them in just because that's what I've always done. But let me show you how the contacts look. Oh, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that. Ooh, can y'all see? This is how the contact looks. So it's like a really pretty like greenish, like, ooh, I'm spilling the solution. Let me just show y'all. I don't know how to do this. Oh, I'm spilling. Okay. But it's like a pretty like brownish with the green like outline to it. Very cute. And I thought they were gonna be like a really cute hazel color, but when I put them on my eyes, I look like I'm like a vampire or something. Like I look like um I'm not from this. Ooh, I done dropped the container. I look like I'm not from this world. So this pair definitely probably would not be getting worn simply because it doesn't fit in with my face. Very pretty color though. So if you have like a more exotic look, this probably would work for you. Or if you have lighter eyes, it probably work for you. But with my dark eyes, it just makes them pop extremely too much. So this is the color um girl brown, I think, or does it say on here? I will put the color that I picked on the screen, and that's what color it is. So yeah, that's the brown one. I'll be right back. I gotta go put some. Okay, yeah. So those are in the color girl brown. That's the color that they're called on the site, girl brown, and it's like a really like light, almost like a hazelish, yellowish brown with like a hint of green on the outline type of color. And like I said, insert the picture again. It very much was giving just it just didn't fit me. So yeah. If I was definitely trying to be out there, like definitely for Halloween, if I wanted to be like something like a werewolf or something like, you know, scary, I would definitely keep, I'm gonna keep them, but I would definitely put those on for Halloween or something. Okay. And next, let's get into the ones that I am wearing right now. So these are the these are the Hind Gray colors. So let's get into my eyes. Let me see. If I turn off the ring light, can you see how they're giving? They're very much, I like how these look on my eyes. I think that they look good and that they're fitting. I could definitely pass for, like, these could pass for natural, in my opinion. They're cute and they're comfortable. So one thing I can say about Dr. Lee's contacts is that they are comfortable, and you'll definitely know when you're putting it in wrong. Now, like I said, I used to wear contacts, but I never wore color contacts. My contacts were always the clear prescription contacts. I never had color contacts before. And you know, when you wear contacts, clear contacts, it's not always easy to tell when they're inside out. Sometimes it's just trial and error, but you know they're supposed to bubble. Right? They're supposed to bubble at the bottom, and that's how you know. But sometimes you put them in wrong, and then you're going to know because it's like your eyes are going to be watering. So with these color contacts, because they're not prescription or anything, either one can go in either eye, right? So when I was struggling, like I said, it's been 3 years since I put on contacts, so I was struggling a little bit to get them in. It took me about 10 minutes to get them into my eye because, one, I don't mess with my eyes no more. So being that I'm not wearing contacts every day, my eyes are not used to me like touching them and all of that. So it was a whole nother ball game with that. And then they didn't want to like suction to my eyes, so like I ended up putting one in backwards, and so my eye was watering, and then it got stuck up here, and I was like, yeah, it's in the wrong way. But finally I got these in, and yeah, they look great. And like I said, they're very comfortable. They're not like irritating my eyes. I could definitely wear these all day and be pretty good, I would say. So these are the box that these ones came in. Like I said, these are the color Hind Gray. So they just came in this little box right here, and it has like a caution and all of that. Now let me give you a disclaimer. If you are new to the contact world, I would definitely say talk to your eye doctor before trying to mess with your eyes and put contacts in them, because a lot of things can go wrong with contacts. Like I said, they can get stuck. They can, your eye can reject them, and it could just be a lot of irritation going on. So definitely talk to your eye doctor before you even try to mess with your eyes, because your eyes are not nothing to mess with. Okay, you do not want to mess up your eyes. And if you're going to wear contacts, do not sleep in them unless they're the kind that are made to be slept in. But even those, I wouldn't even sleep in them. I used to sleep in my contacts all the time, and I feel like that is why my eyes just became too sensitive for them, and my eyes were just not having it, because I didn't let my eyes breathe. I was sleeping in my contacts all the time, and I was supposed to. So I learned my lesson. But okay, once again, They come with a little case that has, I need to put them in there inside out. The little case that has like the carrying case in it, and then it has the little tools again. So every pair comes with a case and the tools that you can use to either put them in or take them out. But like I said, I don't use the tools because I'm fine with just using my hands. But yes, these are the hind. Let me get in closer. These are the hind gray. Let me turn the ring light down a little bit. The hind gray contacts, and I love them. Love them, love them, love them, love them, love them. Very cute. Okay, and the last pair that I have not tried on yet are the Himalayan Blue. And this is a real unboxing. I haven't even looked at these yet, so this is going to show you how everything comes. So, inside the bag, here's the box, okay? Himalayan Blue, it says Dr. Lee. And then each contact comes in its own little container with a solution. So this is what it looks like on the front. And since they're not prescription, it does not say left and right eye. They just are two of the same packaging. Because it does not matter which one goes on which eye because they're not prescription. So right here, Dr. Lee. And then in the back, you can see the color of the contacts. So let me show you how this blue one is looking. It's looking very like blue and green, which, let me turn on the light now. Blue and green, which I think it's going to be very, very cute. I think it's going to be real cute when I can put them in my eyes. So, the color, okay, Himalayan Blue. And then this is how like the container comes. So, you open it up. And the little container, once again, the carrying case and the tools. So, I'm going to take these gray ones out and put these blue ones in my eye, and I'm going to come back and show y'all how they look. So give me just a moment. Okay, y'all, so here are the Himalayan Blue. This is what they look like on my eyes. They kind of give me the same vibes as the gray ones, with just a little more like, a little more blue. But I like these as well. Like I said, to me, color contacts that are like such bold colors like these are definitely not something I would be wearing every day, because I do love the color of my natural eyes. This is definitely like, you know, a pop out every once in a while type of thing for me. But if I do find some hazel ones on the site that are like real deal hazel that like look very much natural, I would probably wear those like weekly. With these blue and these gray ones, definitely not everyday look for me. Just something, you know, here and there when I want to be different and just be out here. But I definitely am feeling these Himalayan Blue ones, and I was feeling the gray ones as well. Like I said, the girl brown ones was not. They were giving me like, it made me feel like I had animal eyes. So you know, animals have like very bold eyes. That made me feel like I had animal eyes. So I wasn't really feeling them too much. It didn't really mesh with me. But the gray and the blue are definitely meshing, and I like them. So if you're interested in Dr. Lee contacts, definitely make sure you check them out. Information will be in the description box, link to the contacts that I got as well as their website. And then there's a discount code. It's going to be right here on the screen, and it's going to be linked in the description box. So if you want to try some out, you can get a discount and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that is all I have for y'all. I will see you in the next video. Bye.